Are you a homeowner, business owner or landlord who is tired of scouring YouTube for the answers to your electrical questions? Are you looking for straight answers without all the confusing technical nonsense? I'm Simon Barker, also known as the Ginger Electrician. Based in Leeds, West Yorkshire, I've been a domestic, commercial and industrial electrician since 1988. As well as this helpful Ginger Electrician YouTube channel, there's also a Ginger Electrician podcast and a Ginger Electrician Facebook group. Both of those are linked in the comments next to this video. Please get in touch if you have any comments or questions. Thanks for listening and don't forget to subscribe.